welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the VOGMA V8 air compressor duster with a 200,000 RPM electric air duster with the LED display, and also come with the LED flashlight. It is rechargeable with a 5,000 milliamp Henry battery. So you can use this jet dry blower air broom to replace a harmful canned air compressor for computer, keyboard, and car drying, and etc. So this one has a 4 speed with a 60,000 RPM, 100,000 RPM, 150,000 RPM, and 200,000 RPM. And it also comes with a LED display. So this one has a high efficiency brushless motor, smart overheat protection. The wind speed about 54 milliseconds, 200 grams of maximum wind pressure. The weight is about 240 grams, and it is very comfortable to hold and easy to carry. So the maximum usage is about 1 hour when it's fully charged. It takes 3 hours to fully charge. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. And if there's a coupon box, make sure you click on it before you check out. And I would like to give a shout out to Lucy from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and check it out. Right here is the product description right here. And this is the brand right here. This one is the V8 model. And here is the spec. And the product is made in China. Right here is the thank you card. And this is the user manual. Oh, cool. Come with two of the cleaning brush in case there's crevices I need to get in there. Car or the keyboard, get to brush it out while you try to blow the dust away. They come with a new USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable. Wow, even got a chrome blade. Short press to switch gear. Eco mode. Long press for stone max mode. Right here. Right here is the LCD display. And right here is the charging port plus flashlight. And this must be the power. Oh no, that's for the flashlight. So it's a different mode, probably the SOS mode. And this is just a blinking mode. So there are 3 different modes. And right here is the power right here. So we press it to turn it on. So the battery shows at 100%. Let's go ahead and give it a little test real quick. Long press for the maximum speed. Wow. Yeah, let's do some tests, shall we? Alright, so we are in the completely dark closet. I turn on the flashlight. Wow, super bright. Awesome. Wow, what the? Oh my god. Holy cow. Oh, so much dust. Look at that. So powerful. Oh my god. Oh. Look at the lens. Oof. Oof. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description, so you guys can check out this awesome item out. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Always, peace.